Intro. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into an essential topic for anyone interested in artificial intelligence and machine learning: building a robust AI pipeline. Whether you're a seasoned data scientist, a software engineer, or just someone curious about AI, understanding how to construct an effective pipeline is crucial for deploying machine learning models that deliver real-world value. In this video, we will cover the entire journey of an AI project, starting from data ingestion all the way to model deployment in production-ready systems. So, grab a notebook, and let's get started. What is an AI pipeline? First things first, let's clarify what we mean by an AI pipeline. An AI pipeline is a series of processes that take raw data and transform it into a predictive model that can be used to generate insights, forecasts, or automated decisions. This pipeline generally consists of several stages: data ingestion, data preprocessing, feature engineering, model training, evaluation, and deployment. Each of these stages is crucial, and skipping any step can lead to subpar results. Building a robust AI pipeline requires careful planning and execution to ensure that our model can handle real-world complexities and nuances. Data ingestion. Let's break down the first step: data ingestion. This is the stage where you gather the data needed for your model. Depending on your project, this data can come from various sources, including databases, APIs, web scraping, or even sensor data from IoT devices. When building your data ingestion system, it's important to consider the volume and velocity of the data. For example, if you're working with real-time data streams, you'll want to implement a system that can handle high-throughput data efficiently. Technologies like Apache Kafka or Apache Pulsar are often used to facilitate real-time data ingestion. Additionally, you may want to consider the format of your data. Are you working with structured data, like CSV files and relational databases, or unstructured data, like images and text? Each type of data requires different ingestion strategies. A robust data ingestion pipeline should be flexible enough to handle various data sources and formats, allowing for easy scalability as your project grows. Data preprocessing. Once you have ingested your data, the next step is data preprocessing. This stage is crucial, as raw data is often messy, incomplete, or inconsistent. Data preprocessing involves cleaning, normalizing, and transforming your data into a format that is suitable for analysis. Data cleaning typically involves handling missing values, removing duplicates, and correcting errors. Techniques like imputation can help deal with missing values by filling them in based on other observations. It's also important to standardize your data, especially if different sources use different units or formats. Normalization is another key aspect of data preprocessing. It ensures that your data is on a similar scale, which can improve the performance of many machine learning algorithms. For instance, techniques such as min-max scaling or z-score normalization can be used to bring your features into a defined range. Feature engineering. Now that your data is clean and well-structured, we move on to feature engineering. This is a critical step where we create new features or modify existing ones to improve the performance of our machine learning models. The quality of your features often determines the success of your model. Feature engineering can involve various techniques, such as creating interaction features, transforming variables, or even extracting features from unstructured data. For example, if you're working with text data, you might use techniques like TF-IDF or word embeddings to convert text into numerical representations. It's important to keep in mind that feature selection is as critical as feature creation. You might have a large number of features, but not all of them will contribute positively to your model's performance. Techniques such as recursive feature elimination, lasso regression, or even tree-based methods can help identify the most important features for your model. Model training. Now, we reach one of the most exciting parts of the AI pipeline: model training. Here, we use our pre-processed and feature-engineered data to train machine learning models. The choice of model depends on the nature of your problem, whether it's a classification, regression, or clustering task. You'll want to split your data into training and testing sets. The training set is used to fit your machine learning model, while the testing set helps evaluate its performance. Common algorithms include linear regression, decision trees, random forests, support vector machines, and neural networks. When training the model, hyperparameter tuning is crucial. Hyperparameters are the settings that govern the training process and can significantly affect your model's performance. Techniques like grid search or random search can help find the optimal hyperparameters for your model. Once your model is trained, it's time to evaluate its performance using metrics that are relevant to your specific problem. For classification problems, metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score are commonly used. For regression, metrics such as mean absolute error or root mean squared error can offer insights into your model's performance. Model validation. After training and evaluating your model, you might want to validate it further through techniques like cross-validation. Cross-validation helps to ensure that your model generalizes well to unseen data by using different subsets of your data for training and testing multiple times. This process can help identify overfitting, where the model performs well on training data but poorly on unseen data. By using k-fold cross-validation, you can ensure that your model is robust and reliable before moving on to deployment. Model deployment. Once you're satisfied with your model's performance, it's time to deploy it into a production environment. Model deployment is where the magic happens. It's where your model starts making real-time predictions and delivering value. There are different approaches to model deployment, depending on the requirements of your application. You can deploy your model as a REST API, allowing other applications to send data and receive predictions in real time. Alternatively, you could embed your model within a mobile or web application, enabling end users to interact with it directly. Containerization technologies like Docker can also play a significant role in deployment. By containerizing your model, you can ensure that it runs consistently across different environments, making it easier to scale and manage. Additionally, orchestration tools like Kubernetes can help manage multiple instances of your model, allowing for load balancing and scaling as usage demands increase. Monitoring and maintenance. But the pipeline doesn't end with deployment. Monitoring and maintenance are vital to ensuring your model continues to perform well over time. You'll want to set up monitoring systems to track your model's performance in real time. Metrics such as response time, accuracy, and user feedback can provide insights into whether your model is still meeting the needed requirements. Sometimes, models may experience what is known as model drift, where the performance degrades over time due to changes in the underlying data distribution. This could happen due to seasonality effects, emerging trends, or shifts in user behavior. Regularly retraining your model with fresh data can help mitigate this issue. Furthermore, version control for your models is essential. Just like software applications, machine learning models can evolve over time. Keeping track of different versions allows you to roll back to previous iterations if necessary and maintain a history of changes. Conclusion. So, there you have it. A complete overview of building a robust AI pipeline, from data ingestion to model deployment in production-ready systems. As we've discussed, each step of the pipeline is critical, and careful consideration must be given to each phase to achieve success. The landscape of AI and machine learning is ever evolving, and understanding how to construct a solid pipeline will empower you to build systems that deliver reliable and actionable insights. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on AI and machine learning. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and happy building!